The saddle stitcher is located in MACLab 337 Finishing Room. The saddle stitcher consists of the following: saddle stitcher, stitcher table, stitch position guides, stitcher foot control pedal, power switch, impact control. Step 1. Power on the saddle stitcher. Set the impact control. The setting for the impact control or staple depth depends on the amount of pages to be stitched. Follow the settings chart beside the stitcher to set the proper staple depth. Step 2. Slide the folded booklet onto the saddle. Adjust the stitch position guides on the right and left sides of the table. Ideally, stitch position should be around 1 inch from each side for a proper visual aesthetic. Step 3. Place both hands on the stitcher table. Slide the booklet to the left guide, then step onto the foot pedal control. Slide the booklet to the right guide and step on the foot pedal control. Make sure that your hands are free of the stitcher magazine and anvil in the center of the stitcher before you press the foot pedal control.